Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to cover about hazard insurance. So let's see what is hazard insurance in these topics. Hazard insurance is covers they protect a property owner against damage caused by fires, severe storms, hail, sleet, or other natural events, as long as the specific weather event is covered within the policy. The property owner will receive compensations to cover the cost of any damage incurred. Typically, the property owner will be required to pay for a year's worth of premiums at the time of purchasing the policy, but this practice will depend on the exact details of the policy. Colloquially, hazard insurance is often considered synonymous with catastrophe insurance, although both deal with coverage for large-scale natural disasters. They are technically different within the insurance industry. Hazard insurance refers to a portion of a general homeowner's insurance policy that protects the structure of the home. Catastrophe insurance usually refers to a separate freestanding policy that covers a specific type of disaster, including man-made ones. How hazard insurance works? Hazard insurance protects a property owner against damage caused by fires, lightning, hail, wind, snow, or a rainstorm or other natural events. Hazard coverage is usually a subsection of a homeowner insurance policy that protects the main dwelling and other nearby structures such as a garage. To be prepared for every contingency, homeowners should be sure that specific common hazards are covered in their insurance policy package. The amount of hazard insurance required depends on what I would cost to replace the home in the event of a total loss. This dollar amount may differ significantly from the property's value on the current real estate market. Policies are typically written for 1 year and are renewable. Homeowners can often elect to beef up the hazard coverage of their policy. It is much better to pay the upfront cost of extra hazard insurance than to deal with the associated legal and medical problem out of pocket. As severe weather events become more commonplace across North America due to climate change, increased hazard insurance may become necessary for more homeowners. Hazard insurance and mortgages of if you have or are taking out a mortgage on your home, it's common for your lender to require you to carry homeowner insurance. Strictly speaking, what they want you to have is, in fact, hazard coverage since it is the portions of the homeowner's insurance directly related to the home structure itself as opposed to the personal liability, loss of issues, or personal property mortgage. Usually, purchasing a general homeowners policy will satisfy the lender's requirement, though the level of protection required will depend on the laws of the local municipality and other special considerations of you. If you have a very expensive property in a high risk area, the lender may require additional coverage. Separate hazard insurance policies. In some areas, certain natural or weather related activities is excluded from the hazard coverage of homeowner insurance, usually because the area is so prone to this event and it's too costly for the insurance issuer to include them in a standard policy. For example, Florida beachfront property can be susceptible to hurricanes and tropical storms. California property located close to fault lines face earthquake threat. If homeowners live in a high-risk area, they often need a separate hazard insurance policy as to adequately protect their property, such as flood insurance policy or policy that protect against sinkholes and landslides. Such movement of the earth are rarely covered by conventional homeowners insurance hazard coverage. Compete risk-free with $1 lakh in virtual cash. Put your trading skill to the test with our free stock simulator. Compete with thousands of investopedia traders and trade your way to the top. Submit trades in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading strategies so that when you are ready to enter the real market, you have had the practice you need. So thank you so much guys for watching this video till then. I hope all of you understood about hazard insurance. Thank you so much again.